Do you feel nervous when you talk to strangers in English? ट्रेन में, ऑफिस में या ट्रैवल के टाइम वर्ड्स ही नहीं मिलते? आज मैं आपको एक रियल ट्रेन जर्नी स्टोरी सुनाने वाला हूँ जिसमें राहुल और अमन सिंपल इंग्लिश में बात। इस वीडियो को ध्यान से देखो, मेरे साथ रिपीट करो और सीखो कैसे बिना डरे इंग्लिश बोले। लेट्स स्टार्ट। वेलकम टू बोलो इंग्लिश। हेलो, इज दिस सीट फ्री? Yes, please, you can sit here. Thank you. Are you also going to Delhi? Yes, I am. I have some business work there. What about you? I work in an IT company in Delhi. I'm going there for a meeting. Is this your first time traveling by train? No, I travel by train very often. It is comfortable and affordable. That's true. I also like train journeys. Do you prefer window seats? Yes, I love watching the outside view. What is the role in your company? I'm a software engineer. I handle project reports and client meetings. That sounds interesting. I run a small trading business. That's great. How long have you been doing this? For almost 8 years. Would you like to have some tea? Yes, please. Thank you. Do you travel a lot for work? Yes, almost every month. Traveling has taught me many things. Like what? Patience, time management, communication. Oh, that's true. Meeting new people is always helpful. It was nice talking to you. Same here. I really enjoyed our conversation. Let's stay in touch. Sure. Here's my number. I'll call you. Take care. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Now repeat with me. These sentences will help you a lot. Is this seat free? Is this seat free? I travel by train very often. I travel by train very often. Would you like some tea? Would you like some tea? It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Let's stay in touch. Let's stay in touch. इस स्टोरी को 3 बार सुनो, फिर मिरर के सामने बोलो। सब्सक्राइब करो। बोलो इंग्लिश।